All right, so anybody who's been following us on Instagram knows we've been shopping for a new couch. We finally got it installed, and we're going to tell you all about it. So for the past few months, we've been traveling back and forth to Yuma, to
Arizona,
Yuma area, from Phoenix, to look at this couch. The reason why we went to Yuma, because we could actually sit in it, lay in it, feel it, and talk to the people that were going to make it. So that was really important to us. We could have got it someplace else, back in Indiana, wherever, but we wanted something that if we're going to spend the money on, we need to know how it feels and everything. So a company called Active RV Upholstery Center in Yuma, Peyton and Daniel, they helped us out. This is not a paid, sponsored, or any video. They gave us permission to go ahead and talk about it. They customized this couch for us. It's an 80-inch, 3-recliner couch with a drop-down middle. Scoot over. With some cup holders, which is nice.
Drink here.
We picked the color, and one of the advantages of being in Arizona and going down there was we're able to drive the RV down there to their place that they have in the wintertime at the Arizona Marketplace and bring out the sample colors and kind of see what would look good in here. So yeah, that's what we did.
And we chose a slate color.
Stone.
Oh, okay.
It was stone.
Stone color, I guess.
It's a gray, if you can't tell by the camera.
Yeah, it's gray. It goes with our countertops and that we have here in the motorhome. But not only did we do this, we also made some other changes in the RV, which will be another video.
Yeah, I wasn't going to do a tour, but everybody's doing tours. But we enjoy watching them, so maybe somebody will enjoy watching what some of the upgrades we did. So
don't listen to him. We're doing a tour.
So we'll just go over some of the stuff we changed in our 2016 Bounder.
Yeah, right now?
No, in another video, you said.
And another video. Anyways, we're done. So, yeah. But, you guys, not only do they do RV, I know, they don't, Active RV Upholstery Center also does, like, they will reupholster your couch if you love your couch, but you just want it done differently.
Or new cushions.
New cushions. They do cushions. They do dinette changes. And they'll do a complete overhaul. Like, they have a package where they'll do everything in your...
The captain's chairs up front. All the material. They'll even do the valances, I believe.
Yeah.
Anything you want, they can pretty much... We'll put a link down in the description to their website. Super nice people. Like I said, during the wintertime, they have the display set up there at the marketplace. So it's nice to go in and talk to them, but you can contact them and you don't even have to go there to do it. We just did it because it was within 3 hours of driving from Phoenix, so that's why we did it. But you can actually measure or have your stuff sent to them, and they will redo it and then ship it to you anywhere in the country, I believe Daniel said. So nice people. They did an awesome job on this. It's our first weekend on it, and so far so good. We like it. Better
than the L-shaped thing that came with the motorhome.
Yeah, hard as a rock. This one's nice. We can recline. It's got the parachute ripcord. Lean back. It's got one in the middle here. She's got one. We got the cup holder. And we sit here and watch our TV.
That's right.
So
watch our YouTube.
That's right.
Anyway, if it's your first time here,
please subscribe.
Give us a thumbs up.
Hit the bell.
Hit the like. Hit the subscribe. Comment.
Check out our Instagram, Adventure Bounder 1.
Insta. Hit us up on the gram.
That's right.
And we will talk to you guys later.
See ya.